Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix GTA 5 Epic Games error LS-0018 Fall Guys. To begin, right-click on Start and choose Task Manager. After this, select the Epic Games Launcher process. Select End Task. Now in the search box, enter %app data %. Click on File folder. In this window, go to App Data, open the local folder. After, open the Epic Games Launcher folder and go to Saved folder. After, select the web cache folder, click Delete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.